Do you feel like money management is a challenge, especially when it comes to building financial confidence? You're not alone. Many people struggle with understanding personal finances, and it's often harder for women who may not be encouraged to speak about money. But here's the thing. Financial empowerment goes hand in hand with women's empowerment, and there are simple steps to get started on building financial confidence. In today's video, we're going to dive into 8 actionable ways that you can use to boost your financial confidence and take charge of your financial future. Whether you're just beginning or looking to strengthen your existing knowledge, these strategies will help you get there. Let's get started. 1. Begin saving early. Saving is one of the most crucial habits when it comes to financial confidence. Starting early allows you to take advantage of compound interest, which helps your money grow over time. Women, in particular, are advised to save at least 10% of their income. A simple yet effective approach to boost savings is by committing to save a portion of every raise or bonus you receive. For example, if you get a 3% raise, aim to put 1% of it into savings. This gradual increase can make a huge difference in the long run. The sooner you start saving, the less pressure you'll feel later in life, especially when unexpected financial needs arise. Additionally, having a savings cushion means you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans to cover emergencies. Start by setting realistic monthly saving goals and watch as those small deposits turn into significant sums over time. Plus, when you start saving early, the peace of mind that comes with financial security is invaluable, enabling you to feel more confident about your future. 2. Build financial literacy. Financial literacy is one of the most powerful tools you can equip yourself with. Understanding how money works is vital for making informed decisions and building wealth. Whether you're looking to grow your savings, invest, or plan for retirement, financial literacy will help you take control. Start by reading financial books, listening to podcasts, or watching educational videos. It's essential to learn how different financial tools work and how they can benefit you. As you build your knowledge, you'll gain the confidence to make better financial decisions and feel empowered when talking about money. Financial literacy also involves learning about taxes, investment strategies, and managing debt. The more informed you are, the more equipped you'll be to optimize your financial situation. This isn't just about gaining theoretical knowledge. It's about understanding how to apply what you've learned in real-life scenarios. Being financially literate also means feeling more comfortable with managing your money, making you less likely to feel overwhelmed when faced with financial decisions. 3. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear and specific financial goals helps create a roadmap for your financial future. Without clear goals, it's easy to get lost in the day-to-day hustle and forget about your long-term plans. Take time to assess your financial situation and set goals that reflect your priorities. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, breaking down big goals into smaller, achievable steps will help you stay motivated. Regularly reviewing your progress will also keep you on track and give you a sense of accomplishment as you reach milestones along the way. Goals should be flexible, allowing for adjustments when life circumstances change. For example, if you receive a raise, consider increasing your savings or investment contributions. Setting goals also provides clarity, helping you decide where to allocate your money most effectively. By focusing on one goal at a time or prioritizing your goals, you'll avoid feeling overwhelmed and make your financial journey more manageable. 4. Find a trusted financial advisor. Sometimes, having a professional by your side can make all the difference. A financial advisor can help guide you through complex financial decisions, offer personalized advice, and assist you in building a long-term strategy. Many women find it hard to talk about finances with a professional, but it's essential to find an advisor you trust. Word of mouth is a great way to find someone reliable, and once you have an advisor, don't hesitate to ask them questions or for clarification on anything you don't understand. With a trusted expert, you'll feel more confident in your financial decisions. A good advisor will help you look at your finances holistically and can provide tailored recommendations based on your unique needs. It's important to ask questions about fees, their investment approach, and how they can help you reach your specific goals. With the right professional support, you will be empowered to make smarter, more informed financial decisions that align with your long-term objectives. 5. Negotiate your pay. Financial confidence also involves knowing your worth and advocating for yourself, especially when it comes to earning potential. One of the biggest financial mistakes many people make is failing to negotiate their salary or pay rate. If you're not regularly reviewing your compensation or negotiating your salary when the opportunity arises, you could be leaving money on the table. Do your research to understand what others in your field are earning, and be prepared to ask for a raise or promotion when the time is right. If you're unsure how to start, consider setting clear, measurable goals with your employer and discuss your achievements. The more confident you are in your abilities, the more likely you'll be to negotiate for a higher pay. Financial freedom isn't just about managing what you already have. It's also about increasing what you bring in. 6. Take calculated risks in investments. Taking risks doesn't mean gambling with your money. It means being willing to invest in assets that have the potential for long-term growth. Many women shy away from investing due to fear of failure or uncertainty. However, by diversifying your investments and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can reduce the impact of market fluctuations and position yourself for success. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, investing in various assets gives you the opportunity to build wealth and ensure your money works for you. Remember, every investment comes with risks, but with research and strategy, you can make informed choices that support your financial goals. Diversify your portfolio helps reduce the overall risk, allowing you to capture opportunities in different sectors. Regularly review your investments to ensure they align with your changing financial goals. 7. Focus on career growth and increasing earning potential. Building financial confidence isn't just about managing what you earn. It's also about increasing your earning potential. Take charge of your career by setting goals for professional development and seeking opportunities for advancement. Focus on skill building, expanding your network, and taking on challenging projects that will boost your experience and visibility. Whether you're negotiating a raise, pursuing a promotion, or exploring new career opportunities, actively working to increase your income will strengthen your financial position and confidence. The more you invest in your career growth, the better equipped you'll be to achieve your financial goals. You can also consider seeking additional certifications, training, or education that will enhance your career prospects and give you an edge in your field. Career growth involves constantly learning, networking, and stepping outside of your comfort zone to pursue opportunities that increase your earning power. 8. Stay consistent and patient with your financial plan. Building financial confidence is a gradual process that requires consistency and patience. There will be ups and downs along the way, but staying committed to your plan is essential. Review your goals regularly, make adjustments when necessary, and stay disciplined with your spending and savings. Remember that it's not about making huge changes overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps that add up over time. Whether you're managing your debt, investing, or saving for a specific goal, staying consistent will ultimately lead to financial success. Patience is key. Financial security doesn't happen immediately, but with time and dedication, it will be within your reach. As you progress, you may encounter obstacles or unexpected challenges, but staying focused on your long-term objectives will help you overcome them. Regularly reassessing your financial situation will allow you to stay on track and make necessary course corrections to meet your goals. There you have it, 8 actionable ways to build financial confidence and take control of your financial future. By saving early, educating yourself, setting clear goals, and seeking professional advice, you can empower yourself to make smart financial decisions and secure long-term success. Remember, financial confidence is built over time, and every step you take will help you feel more in control. Start implementing these strategies today and take charge of your financial destiny. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. Let us know in the comments which step you're most excited to start.